अरे बच्चों नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमने कल सवाल किए थे रुस्तम और सौरभ के चार। आज हमें पांचवा सवाल करना है। पांचवा सवाल है वाई वाज रुस्तम एट फर्स्ट नॉट रेडी टू फाइट सौरभ। तो इसका जवाब है रुस्तम हैड बिकेम ओल्ड, ही हैड एन एज्ड फादर टू लुक आफ्टर, सो रुस्तम वाज एट फर्स्ट नॉट रेडी टू फाइट सौरभ। Question number 6. Why did Rustam not tell Saurabh who he was? Its answer is Rustam thought that Saurabh would withdraw from the fight if he will knew the truth. So he didn't tell Saurabh who he really was. Question number 7 is how was Saurabh wounded? Its answer is Sohrab lost courage when he heard Rustam's war cry. His shield fell off his hand. Rustam's sword went through his body. Thus Sohrab was wounded. Question number 8 is what were Sohrab's last words? Its answer is Sohrab's last words were fulfill this wish of mine. Carry me to your home and bury me there, so that people who pass by will say, Sohrab the mighty, Sohrab the mighty Rustam's son lies here.